Get up. It's time to do farm chores. In the rain. Now look. This is called fashion, ho. Good morning everyone. My God. Y'all fucking up my good china. I just bought this shit for y'all now. Shut up. Shut the hell up. Which y'all's loud. Here. Get it. I hate it here. River, get your out the damn way. God damn, man. Come on, hell. Slow. Get your little nasty in this damn barn, Wookie. Y'all better knock that shit off now. This ain't no damn WWE. Quit. Winnie, cheeks. I'm gonna beat the hell out of y'all. Hey, you little I said quit now, damn it. Y'all don't run it around here now. Pearl.